Hey man, can we get some extra sauce?
Well, we actually charge for the sauce here.
Can I talk to your manager, please?
Hey, bitch, I got the sauce, I'm immortalized. I'm the boss, I can never live a normal life. I don't gotta lie.
Hey guys, it's Mamo. So welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, we're gonna be transforming my old clothes into the new trendy clothes na nauuso ngayon. And since we're in quarantine, ang dami kong nakikita sa YouTube na mga thrift flip, mga ganon, mga transforming old clothes into cute clothes, mga ganon. So why not try it since I'm very bored din dito sa bahay, and mahilig din ako maggupit-gupit ng mga damit ko. And for the first outfit, I'm currently wearing it right now. So here's what it looks like, and this is the excess cloth na nakuha ko dito sa shirt na to, and it's very cute because it's giving me that old classic vibes. So imbis na itapon ko siya, ginawa ko na lang siyang ganitong pa-hairband effect, and sobrang cute niya. Mas lalong nag-pop yung outfit na nagawa ko. So everything I did was very easy, and ang kailangan nyo lang materials is gunting, rubber bands, sunrocks, and spray bottle. So, yun lang yung kailangan nyo. Wala na kayong kailangan na sewing kit or kung ano man mga kailangan nyo magtahi-tahi. So, wala nang kailangan na ganun. And so, this DIY is very easy, and if you guys wanna know how I did this, please keep on watching.
This is that once in a lifetime.
Yeah. Once in a lifetime, a golden opportunity. Golden like the sand that you finally took me through. The sea was holding tight my hand while I dipped a toe.
This is that once in a lifetime.
Yeah. Once in a lifetime, a golden opportunity. Golden like the sand that you finally took me through. The sea was holding tight my hand while I dipped.
This is that once in a lifetime.
Yeah. Once in a lifetime, a golden opportunity. Golden like the sand that you finally took me through. The sea was holding tight my hand while I dipped a toe.
This is that once in a lifetime.
Yeah. Once in a lifetime, a golden opportunity. Golden like the sand that you finally took me through the sea. Was holding tight my hand while I dipped a toe into the sea. I smiled like an idiot, but you still sorta sleuthing me. Hair up beautifully, considering the future. We were hitting up the candy shop.
So kung wala kayong magawa sa bahay nyo, try this video now, and para hindi na din tayo magsayang ng pera, ng kaka-Shopee or Lazada haul, ng mga ganyan. So para makatipid na din is just transform your clothes into cute or trendy clothes na you want. So you can spice it up a little bit kung anong gusto nyong cut. So maging creative na lang din kayo kung anong gusto nyong kalabasan ng damit, and experiment kung ano yung magiging itsura pag ganito yung ginawa nyo. So ganun gawin nyo, or just copy what I did. So that is it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope nakatulong to sa inyo. And please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet. Please give this video a like or a thumbs up kung thumbs up kung nagustuhan nyo tong video na to. And I hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye!
I fall in love too easily. I fall